Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock it and ensure at least 20% battery so the process won't be interrupted. Once ready, make a quick backup of any important information, screenshots or app logs, because deletion is permanent. Now open Settings and navigate to Digital Wellbeing or the named Productivity app. This is where usage history, app timers, and focus sessions live. Once you see the dashboard, pause and review the main sections so you know what will be removed. Once on the dashboard, tap Usage History or App Timers to reveal records and per app details. You'll often see three-dot menus or a reset button next to each entry. Tap those to access delete or clear data options. Choose whether to remove individual entries or use delete all to wipe the entire dataset. Make sure to read prompts. Some ask to revoke permissions too. After confirming, wait for the system to process. A progress indicator means the data is being purged. Finish by revoking any permissions you no longer want assigned and disable auto backups if your goal is to prevent future retention. Once done, restart the device and reopen Digital Wellbeing to verify that usage graphs and timers show 0 or default values. If some records persist, clear the app cache or force stop, then try deletion again. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app to reset stored data. If issues continue, check for device admin or enterprise policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.